Good day, this is Rusconic speaking, and this is a carton of Chaweek solar fan. Okay, this is two sets of Chaweek solar fan, and inside one carton of this solar fan you have the head where the coils and the rechargeable battery are, and this is the stand, and this is your cover. And this cover is paired together with this rope you see that you have to unloose it. This thing here is your adjuster that will be at the head. This one here is the 15 watts panel that I'm using to charge. This is your blade. Okay, this pack here comprises of your charger for NEPA, your cover, Chaweek cover, and your screwdriver in case you don't have one. And this thing here that is like wire here is what you use to hold the two cover together. Unlike some other ones that will have clip, this is the clip. Okay, so now follow me while I take you through the fixing process. Here I'm trying to remove the head and some of these things from where it was sealed. Okay, so this is the base, then this goes first. Then at this first stand, you have to take note of the side that have the screw, and the side that will have that screw, you have to turn it down. Okay, you have to turn it down and tighten it with the biggest screw in your pack. Now you can see me turning it down, then tighten it from underneath. Okay, I'm done tightening this. Now I have to go to the other side of it. This is the place that will be joining with the head. Okay, so then you come in with your cover, the first cover that will be at the base of the solar head. Okay, this is the one that will be at the solar head. Then you fix it in and bring the other. Okay, this is it. Then you fix it in. You don't have to force anything here. You have to just take everything gently, because if you force it at this point, you might spoil something. Okay, there's the blade fixed in properly. Okay, you can see it here. Then you have to loosen this thing small. Okay, when loosen it small, then you tighten it. Okay, you have to take note that this your switch have to be at the front. Okay, at this point you have to go in with your adjuster, as I said earlier. So you pass this wire through the adjuster here, pass through the wire, then you take your bolt, this particular one, then you loosen the other one, loosen the knot there. Okay, then you pass it, and you have to make sure that the line at the adjuster that you just fixed is in line with the hole that you have on the head, then so that this thing can pass without problems. So now that you have passed the bolt, you tighten it to the other knot at the other side of the adjuster here. So this is me trying to tighten it, and you have to make sure that you do a good work here so that the head of the fan doesn't shake. So even when you feel that you did not do it well, you can as well fix it in. Then you observe it. It's less for you to know how you want the head of the fan to be, then you adjust that. As I said, it's the adjuster, so from there you know how to tighten it and do it well. So at this point, at this cover now, you can see me trying to fix in this Chaweek cover on the top cover of the fan, so that I decided to fix it in before I cover it so that it doesn't affect the blade in there. So this thing here is just serving like the clip. That's the clip. This is what you use to hold the top and the down, the base, cover, and the top. Okay, you can see me doing it here. I fixed it in the first one and made sure that it was properly fixed before I came in with the top cover. Then this is where your screwdriver comes in, because you have to loosen it first to make sure that it enters very well, then you tighten it back. Okay, this is me. I'm done fixing the whole thing. Then I'm trying to check my adjuster to know if it is okay. Then I have to remove the screw. Okay, I have to remove the screw, then tighten this. Okay, this is where I bring together the wire and the the stand and the one on the head. So now when you fixing this wire, to be sure that this thing is properly connected, you will hear one noise. Okay, the thing will make this sound showing you that it has been properly connected before you pass it in, then tighten the head to the stand. You can see it, I'm done. That's very simple. This is me showing you how you can charge it with your solar. As if you don't have light in your house, you can take it outside. That's why it is called solar fan. You can take it outside and charge it under the sun. Okay, this is the charger that you can use to charge it if you have NEPA light, and this is the remote. You can see it, I'm done, and I'm trying to on it with my remote. You can see it is working. Okay, so that will be all. Thank you. If it is your first time coming to my channel, please do subscribe and like and turn on your notification bell so you can always get things like this.